This video is pretty straightforward, but for some people, they cannot seem to get the upgraded rugged clamp on their Eagle One 010X to be tight and firm. It's pretty simple. I'm going to just loosen the clamp here and we're going to start from scratch. I did make a full tutorial on how to actually install this clamp. Feel free to have a look at that and the complete playlist on the Varla Eagle One. You do get a shim supplied with the rugged clamp, so make sure the shim is actually pushed down all the way. And make sure your rugged clamp is good to go and it's not tight on the stem before you go ahead and pull up the handlebars. And when you do pull up the handlebars, here's a mistake that people make. They don't force it so that the clamp can go down. Top tip here, stand on the electric scooter and hold the brakes on it and force the stem a little bit and you'll see the rugged clamp actually popping down here in a second. And make sure it's fully down all the way. And here's the next mistake people made. Instead of just putting the latch across once, you go back and forth on each latch until it's completely firm. Of course, don't go crazy. Don't go forcing something if you know it's going to snap, because they're not exactly strong latches, so you could easily break them. But go back and forth in a zigzag motion like you see here. Make sure it is center on the electric scooter. And the reason why you want to do this is because you want the same amount of basically firmness on the whole stem itself. Give it a good squeeze very easily, don't go too crazy. And then of course, to test it, stand on the electric scooter and make sure there is no wobbling happen there and you should be good to go.